I need to change the batteries on some of my son's toys, so I figured let's use my electric screwdriver. So we are going to use the Fantic electric screwdriver just to see how easy it is. Phillips head. Just pop it on right there. Oh my god, that's so easy. And then we're gonna do it the other way. Easy. Love this thing. Definitely an amazing thing to get before the holidays so that on Christmas morning you have this ready to go to set up all the toys, change all the batteries.
Tiger.
All done. I'm going to put it away. Just going to put my bit back in magnetically. Pop that in. This thing is awesome. I love it so much already. Click the orange shopping cart and grab one before Christmas. It's a great Christmas gift, but if you're eyeing one for yourself, get one for yourself before Christmas.